Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 11 October. The topic of this video is difference between primitive and non-primitive. The primitive and non-primitive can be data types or a data structure. The data type is a form of a variable to which a value can be assigned. Whereas this data structure is a type of or it is a collection of a different types of a data. Now we will see the difference between this primitive and non-primitive one by one. This first primitive data structure is a type of data structure which can contain only one type of data. In case of a non-primitive data structure, it can contains different types of a data into a single entity. The examples of the primitive data types are integer, character, or a float. In case of this non-primitive data types or data structure, the examples are arrays, string, classes, object, linked list, or stack. Then in this primitive data structure will contain some value, which means the value of this default value of this primitive data structure will not be a null value. For example, the integer data type will contain a default value as a 0. The float will contain a default value as a 0.0. In case of this non-primitive data structure, the default value can be null. For example, the default value of a string is a null value. Then the size of this primitive data structure is fixed, and it depends on the type of a data. Let's say the integer type of a data. In integer type of a data, the byte will contain the one byte of memory. The short will contain 2 bytes of memory. Then int contains 4 byte of memory. Float contains 4 byte. Then double contains 8 byte of memory. Whereas in case of this non-primitive data structure, the value of this data structure is not fixed. It varies with the use of that data structure in the particular program. Then next is the naming. Next difference is the naming convention. In case of this primitive data structure, the names of this name of this primitive data type starts with the lowercase characters, like the byte, short, int, long, float, character. Each letter is in lowercase characters and it starts with the lowercase character. In case of this non-primitive data structure, the first letter is always in uppercase, like string, classes, objects. It starts with the uppercase character. Then the next major difference between this primitive data type and non-primitive is the we can call a method by using the primitive data structure. For example, at the time of a method calling, we can pass a value of this primitive data types, and through this value we can call a particular method. In case of this non-primitive, it is not possible to call a particular method using this non-primitive data structure, because at the time of method calling we never pass a value of a non-primitive data type, because it is not a single value. It is sometimes an object, or it is a different types of a data. So it is not possible to call a particular method using this non-primitive data structure. And that's all with the major differences between this primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Thank you.